reporting again live for the weather people. Storm is over for the greater Orlando area. Just coming out here to survey some damage. We have a car on the street behind me there. People are checking the damage. As you can see here in my yard, a lot of debris. It's going to take several minutes to clean this up, but we fared well. About to take Pippin, the weather puppy, out for a walk, and maybe we'll see some more damage on the trail. We'll report more if necessary. This is T.L. Westgate reporting live from the aftermath of Hurricane Matthew.